The Toyota BZ3X is a compact electric SUV that marks a significant milestone in Toyota's commitment to sustainable mobility. Designed exclusively for the Chinese market, the BZ3X is part of Toyota's Beyond Zero (BZ) series, which aims to deliver zero-emission vehicles with advanced technology and affordability. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel with the bell notification turned on for more videos. This model is a product of the GIC Toyota joint venture, combining Toyota's expertise with local innovation to cater to the growing demand for electric vehicles in China. The BZ3X is powered by a single front-mounted electric motor, available in two configurations, one producing 150 kilowatts, 201 horsepower, and the other delivering 165 kilowatts, 221 horsepower. The motor is paired with a lithium iron phosphate LFP battery, which comes in three capacities: 50.03 kilowatt-hours, 58.37 kilowatt-hours, and 67.92 kilowatt-hours. These battery options provide ranges of 430 kilometers, 520 kilometers, and 610 kilometers respectively, based on the CLTC test cycle. The SUV supports fast charging, allowing the battery to charge from 30% to 80% in just 24 minutes, making it highly convenient for daily use and long-distance travel. In terms of design, the BZ3X features a sleek and modern exterior, with a flat hood that slopes dramatically towards the front, creating a dynamic and aerodynamic profile. The dimensions of the vehicle are 4,600 millimeters in length, 1,850 millimeters in width, and 1,600 millimeters in height, with a wheelbase of 2,765 millimeters. This compact size ensures agility while providing ample interior space for passengers and cargo. The cabin is designed with a minimalist approach, featuring a large 14.6-inch central touchscreen infotainment system powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip. The interior also includes an 8.8-inch digital instrument cluster, dual-zone climate control, and a 9-speaker Yamaha audio system, offering a blend of comfort and technology. Safety and driver assistance are key highlights of the BZ3X. The vehicle is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, developed by Momenta, a Chinese autonomous driving startup. The ADAS includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trim levels incorporate LiDAR technology and NVIDIA's Orin X chipset, enabling semi-autonomous driving capabilities and navigate on autopilot, NOA functionality. The system uses 27 sensors, including cameras, radars, and ultrasonic sensors, to provide comprehensive safety and navigation support. The BZ3X is available in 7 variants, with prices starting at 109,800 yuan, approximately $15,000 for the base model, and going up to 159,800 yuan, around $22,000 for the top-tier version. This competitive pricing strategy has made the BZ3X highly attractive to consumers, as evidenced by the overwhelming response during its launch. Toyota received over 10,000 orders within the first hour, crashing its servers due to the high demand. The BZ3X represents Toyota's strategic move to compete with local EV manufacturers like BYD and NIO, offering a feature-rich and affordable electric SUV tailored to the preferences of Chinese consumers. With its advanced technology, impressive range, and competitive pricing, the Toyota BZ3X is poised to make a significant impact in the electric vehicle market. This model not only showcases Toyota's commitment to innovation, but also highlights the growing importance of collaboration in the global automotive industry.